In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a PDF contract generator in n8n. By the end, you'll have a ready-made workflow imported into your n8n cloud workspace, so you can start generating contracts as PDFs with minimal setup. We'll use the built-in templates library, which is the fastest way to get a reliable, pre-configured workflow up and running. First, head to your n8n account and open the Workflows home. This is your central dashboard where all workflows live. Make sure you're signed in to the correct workspace. If you're on n8n Cloud, you'll see a clean overview with options to create, browse, and organize workflows. If you don't land on workflows immediately, look for it in the main navigation. Next, open the main menu to expand your options. Depending on your layout, this might be a sidebar, toggle, or a menu icon. Opening the menu reveals sections like Templates, which is where we'll pull in a pre-built contract generator. If you don't see it at first, try widening your window or scrolling the menu to reveal more items. Now, click on Templates. Templates are curated, ready-to-use workflows created to solve common tasks, like turning structured data into a polished PDF contract. Using a template saves time and helps you follow best practices that are already wired in. You'll be able to customize anything after import, but the template gives you a strong starting point. In the Templates view, use the search bar and type Contract Generator. You can also try related terms like PDF or document to broaden your results. Look through the matches and preview a few options. Each template includes a description, a quick overview of how data flows through the nodes, and any connections you may need to provide later. Pick the one that suits your use case, such as generating contracts from form submissions or from CRM records. When you've found the right fit, select it and click Use. This prepares the template to be copied into your workspace. It's a good idea to read the summary carefully so you know which fields and sample data the template expects. If the preview shows credentials or integrations, note them so you can provide access later. Finally, choose to import it into your cloud space. Confirm the destination workspace and proceed. n8n will create a new workflow based on the template, preserving its structure and placeholder data. After import, you'll see it listed in your Workflows home, ready for you to review, rename, and adapt to your process. That's it. Your PDF contract generator is now in place and ready for next steps, like connecting data sources and formatting your final document.